I love that tune, of course. It is War and takes me way back to those early disco days of the 70s. Lots going on this weekend, and sorry about the blip in between the song there. Do not adjust your sets. I think it was just a bit of an iffy track. So a lot going on. We've got the Killers on Saturday at the the Coventry Building Society Arena now. We pushed the Rico aside now. It's CBS Arena, and also the big weekend at Memorial Park as well. The city is going to be buzzing at the weekend, and who knows, might bump into somebody. I don't know if you're going to the big weekend. I'm certainly not. I haven't got tickets for it, and may regret it. We'll wait and see, but I'm sure it'll be fantastic. As long as the weather's with us, it'll be a great weekend, won't it? So, and I'm flicking a coin actually to whether to go to watch the Killers. I might go and watch the Killers at the CBS Arena. Still flicking a coin on that at the minute. It's more going than less, so but I think they're just a really good band. Very good evening to Mick and to Janet and to George, and good to see you in the show, Mick, as always, buddy. Always good to see you in the show. Let's carry on with the Soul Train, everybody, with this one, a tune by Eddie Kendricks.
Keep on trucking, baby. I got to keep on trucking. Got to get the old good shame on me, yeah.
Okay, everybody, Average White Band now. What a tune. Queen of my Soul, staying with a bit of funky soul tonight. Oh yes, I don't play that very often at all because I just love that tune. And very misspent childhood days at my friend's house in the back room, playing that white album they bought out way back in the 70s. Just fantastic. And the instrumental in it is just so good. It's just so much in there. Average White Band there with Queen of My Soul. Definitely going to be watching them live again. Such a treat. So we're carrying on with the Soul Train, everybody, this Wednesday night. I hope you're all well. It stopped raining. The wind's dropped. The slight sort of like brightness out there this evening, and I'm sure the summer will get to us very soon. But yeah, I hope your week's going okay. It's flying by, isn't it? Thursday tomorrow already, and not far from that magical long break. That's really good, isn't it? Even though I've just had a break, but it's always good to have a little break from work, isn't it? Let's hand you to this now. It's Harold Melvin and the Blue Notes.
Hoping that you and I could make it on through, but something went wrong. We loved each other, we just couldn't get along. Take a good look at me, I'm in misery. Can't you see? But love was a sweet love. Yes, it was. Lonely, but without